started making the scene, positioning the characters, making the base, background, and adding the camera. Tip: have a higher focal length for the camera. It will look more professional. For this scene, I decided to use an area light. Tip: light your scene from an angle. This will make the overall lighting more natural and better. Adding details to the platform. I divided the platform into 2 pieces and bevel the edges. Even though the detail is subtle, it makes a good difference. Editing the clothing textures. For the clothes, I just added a hue saturation node. This allowed me to make subtle changes to the color of the clothing. Parent everything that will be rotating to the rotating base. Adding details. Mostly used the Blender Kit add-on to get the assets like tire and boxes. To make your renders realistic, make sure you're adding small details. This will make a huge difference. In the scene, I played around with the tire texture by adding a bump node, therefore adding more details. I also decided to add more details to the cardboard boxes, like the tape, extra signs around the box, and the brand's name. To finish up the scene, I added more details to match the brand's vibe. If anyone has any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or DM on Insta.